아 근데 그거 Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is actually not my video because it's supposed to be Jahan who's supposed to do the talking, but I think it's too shy, camera shy, so I'm just gonna be doing the talking while he does, all the work. So basically we're gonna, turn this leftover maize from the maize that hasn't been used for plantation. We're gonna use it and we're gonna make maize porridge out of it. So we have this fine ears of maize, and it's been soaked for around 30 minutes, and we have to pound it in this mortar. So the idea here is to, take out the husk, the cover from the ears of the corn, and maybe, form it into half. Not fine pieces, but crude pieces. Yeah, wait, now this is your time.
Yeah. Sao mà dân béo phải ra?
Nếu có gọi
Tống không hết rắn.
tấm không hết.
Đi bị xì đâu.
So I'm doing this with utmost care because if I get, if I get this wrong, everything's just gonna fall off. So, tedious job. See. So this is what we've got after pounding it for around 5 minutes, not more than that. Yeah, it looks like chicken foot now, but we just have to winnow out the husk that we have here. Yeah, we have to winnow it out like that, and we'll cook it up. Yep. Yeah. Alright, it's not so hard. Yeah. It's not so hard, but just finding it a little difficult to, get into the rhythm. I think it's fine now. Back in the kitchen now, and we have the maize here. Just do a little bit of a wash and put it into the pressure cooker. So we've added about 2 mugs of water here. That's about 1.5 liter. And we've got everything here. Oh, where's the lid with the sink? Close the lid. Make sure it's tight, and then place it over the fire and wait for it to cook. So here it is, here's our maize porridge, and it looks really nice. And back in the days this would have been a really nice afternoon snack. A very refreshing and energizing snack right after a tiresome work in the fields. But we lost it somewhere along the way, and it's always nice to go back to our culinary tradition, have something that our ancestors had. And yeah, we'll enjoy it now. Come over.
How is it?
Good. And I'm sure it's gonna be good. So it's really great, eh?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah. So this corn has been preserved for I think more than 9 months, right?
Yeah, maybe.
So it's almost like it's been smoked. And the flavor that you get from here is totally different from the fresh maize that you get. It's very chewy, but it's not like rice. I think it has a very earthy taste to it. Yeah, we'll enjoy this as of now, and yeah, try to make yourself this. It's really nice, and I'll see you next time for the next vlog. Oh, yeah.